Welcome back to the channel, coin collectors and treasure hunters. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most fascinating modern US coins, the 2009 $1 coin with the D mint mark, also known as the 2009 $1 coin struck at the Denver Mint. Whether you found this coin in your change, in a roll of presidential dollars, or inside a collector's set, you might be wondering, is my 2009 D $1 coin rare? Does it have any value above face value? And what makes this coin special among modern US dollar issues? Stay tuned, because today we'll cover its history, design, mintage, value, errors, and key facts that every coin collector should know. The 2009 D $1 coin is part of the Presidential Dollar Coin Program, a series launched by the United States Mint in 2007. Each coin honors a different U.S. president in the order they served, featuring a detailed portrait on the obverse, or front side, and the Statue of Liberty on the reverse. The year 2009 featured 4 presidents: William Henry Harrison, John Tyler, James K. Polk, and Zachary Taylor. If your coin has a D mint mark, that means it was minted at the Denver Mint in Colorado, one of the primary facilities responsible for circulating coins across the U.S. The composition of this coin is a manganese brass clad, an outer layer of 77% copper, 12% zinc, 7% manganese, and 4% nickel bonded to a pure copper core. This gives it that signature golden appearance often mistaken for real gold. It weighs 8.1 grams, measures 26.5 millimeters in diameter, and features edge lettering, a unique detail that sets the Presidential Dollar Series apart from previous designs. The inscriptions on the edge include the year 2009, the D mint mark, E pluribus unum, and the national motto, "In God We Trust." Depending on how the coin was struck, the edge lettering can appear in position A, upside down when the front is upright, or position B, right side up. For collectors, these variations matter. Many 2009 D dollar coins exist in both edge positions, and some even feature edge lettering errors, such as missing, double, or weak lettering. These errors make the coin far more valuable than its standard $1 face value. A typical example of a 2009 D presidential dollar in uncirculated condition is worth between $2 and $5, but coins with strong luster and pristine surfaces graded MS67 or MS68 by PCGS or NGC can fetch anywhere from $40 to over $100 at auction. Let's talk about each 2009 D variety briefly. The William Henry Harrison 2009 D dollar had a mintage of about 55 million coins. The John Tyler 2009 D dollar had roughly 43 million produced. The James K. Polk 2009 D dollar, one of the more collectible ones, had a mintage of around 41 million. And the Zachary Taylor 2009 D dollar saw approximately 36 million coins struck, making it the lowest mintage among the 2009 Denver issues. Although those numbers sound large, pristine high-grade coins are far scarcer than people think, especially those that have not been mishandled, scratched, or toned in storage. Now, let's focus on the James K. Polk 2009 D dollar coin, since it's a collector favorite. The obverse shows a powerful portrait of President Polk, with inscriptions James K. Polk, 11th President, and 1845 to 1849. The reverse features the Statue of Liberty with United States of America and $1. What makes this coin particularly interesting is that many collectors have reported examples with edge lettering variations and alignment issues, such as letters overlapping or partially missing due to weak pressure during striking. These edge variations are some of the most sought-after minting errors of the Presidential Dollar Program. You might be wondering, how do I know if my coin is valuable? The first step is to check condition. Coins that have been in circulation usually show wear on the high points of the design, the cheekbones, forehead, and hairline on the president's portrait. If your coin still has full luster and no visible scratches or bag marks, it may qualify as an uncirculated or mint state example. Mint state grades start from MS60 and go up to MS70, with each step adding more value. For instance, a 2009 D Polk dollar graded MS67 by PCGS might sell for around $30 to $50, while a perfect MS68 can reach over $80 or more. If you happen to find a coin with a missing edge inscription, that's a major error. These are called godless dollars, because the motto, "In God We Trust," is missing. Some early presidential dollar issues became famous for this mistake, and collectors still look for it in later years like 2009. Although rarer by then, such errors can sell for hundreds of dollars, depending on rarity and condition. Another small but interesting detail, the color tone. Some 2009 dollar coins appear slightly darker or more coppery than others. This can be due to oxidation or differences in the alloy mix, but collectors often prefer bright, golden coins with even tone and full luster. When handling, always use cotton gloves to avoid fingerprints, since oil from your skin can tarnish the finish. Now, let's talk about proof coins versus circulation strikes. The 2009 proof versions were struck in San Francisco and have an S mint mark, while the 2009 D coins are regular business strikes meant for circulation. However, because most people didn't use dollar coins much in everyday transactions, many of these Denver minted dollars remained in U.S. mint storage vaults or were sold directly to collectors through rolls and boxes. That means finding one in circulation is less common today, and pristine examples are still available for collectors who love building complete date and mint mark sets. If you're looking to start collecting, here are a few quick tips. Store your 2009 dollar coins in airtight holders or coin flips to preserve their mint luster. Avoid cleaning or polishing them. That destroys collector value. For serious numismatists, sending your best specimens for professional grading at PCGS or NGC is worth considering, especially if they show full strike details and flawless surfaces. Beyond the financial side, this coin holds historical significance. James K. Polk is remembered for expanding the U.S. territory through the annexation of Texas and the Oregon and California regions. Holding a 2009 presidential dollar is like holding a small piece of that history in your hand, a modern tribute to a 19th century leader. In summary, the 2009 $1 coin with the D mint mark is a beautiful blend of history, artistry, and collectability. While most examples are common, coins in top condition, or those with unique edge lettering errors, can hold significant premium value. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned collector, this coin is an essential addition to any modern U.S. dollar collection. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2009 D mint mark $1 coin. If you enjoyed learning about this piece of American coinage, please hit that like button, subscribe for more coin value breakdowns, and comment below what coin you'd like to explore next. Who knows? Your pocket change might just hold a hidden treasure. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting.